Across the world, farming looks dramatically different depending on the climate, culture, and available technology. From high-tech harvesters sweeping vast American fields to traditional hand-picking on family farms in Asia, the art of gathering fruits and vegetables tells a fascinating story. Each region has developed harvesting techniques that are perfectly suited to their environment, whether it's dealing with mountainous terrain, tropical weather, or the need to protect delicate fruit. It's this contrast that makes global agriculture so captivating. So, let's dive in and explore how different farmers armed with tools as simple as baskets or as complex as robotic arms are keeping the world fed, one harvest at a time. In countries like India, Vietnam, and the Philippines, many farmers still rely on manual fruit-picking techniques honed over centuries. Whether it's mangoes, papayas, or lychees, the process often involves climbing trees, using poles with cutters, and catching fruit in hand-woven baskets to prevent bruising. These methods may seem old-fashioned, but they are incredibly effective for delicate fruits that machines might damage. One standout technique is the use of fruit socks, or protective mesh bags to keep pests away and ensure fruits ripen evenly on the tree. Every step is done with care to preserve quality and minimize waste. Despite increasing access to machinery, many small-scale Asian farms continue using these techniques for a good reason. They offer control, precision, and protect the fruit's market value. The result is not just a harvest, but a celebration of culture and craftsmanship. Moving over to Africa, vegetable harvesting in rural areas still leans heavily on manual labor, but with innovative twists adapted to different landscapes. Farmers here rely on keen observation and experience to know the exact moment of peak ripeness. In countries like Kenya, Nigeria, and Ethiopia, small tools like sickles, machetes, and hoes are commonly used for root vegetables. Some farms use donkey carts or woven sacks to transport the harvest to market. Irrigation is often done using locally built canals or manual water lifting systems, and harvesting schedules are based on rain patterns and market demands. One fascinating element is the cooperative model where entire villages work together during peak harvest. It's a time-saving, community-driven approach that helps smallholders maximize their output while minimizing labor costs. It's farming with heart and plenty of hustle. Grapes, olives, and citrus fruits are often grown on sloped terrains, requiring specialized techniques and equipment. Handpicking is still widely used, especially for high-end wine grapes or table olives, to ensure only the ripest are chosen. In countries like Italy, Spain, and Greece, you'll see vibrating rakes and handheld harvesters used to gently shake olives off trees into nets or collection bags. For citrus like oranges and lemons, ladders and clippers are used to harvest fruit with the stem intact, preserving shelf life and preventing rot. Many vineyards and orchards here embrace a hybrid model combining old-world knowledge with modern tools. That balance allows for high-quality harvests without sacrificing flavor or quality, making the Mediterranean a global leader in specialty fruit exports. Massive combine harvesters, automated fruit pickers, and GPS-guided tractors are common sights in large-scale farms. This machinery allows thousands of acres to be harvested in a fraction of the time, boosting productivity and lowering costs. For example, in California's strawberry fields or Washington's apple orchards, robotic arms are being used to pick fruit with the precision of a human hand. In Europe, asparagus harvesters and tomato picking robots are reducing labor dependence and speeding up post-harvest processing. Many of these machines are solar-powered or use AI to detect ripeness. The goal here is scale and sustainability. These regions invest heavily in agritech to meet the global demand for fruits and vegetables, while also reducing food waste and improving working conditions. It's farming at the edge of what's possible with current technology. South America, known for its tropical abundance, has developed harvesting techniques tailored for crops like bananas, pineapples, and passion fruit. In countries like Ecuador, Costa Rica, and Colombia, banana harvesting is done by teams of workers who cut entire bunches and carry them to overhead cable systems that transport them to processing centers. Pineapples are harvested by hand using long-handled knives to avoid damaging the plant or the fruit. Timing is critical here. Picking too early affects flavor, and picking too late risks spoilage during shipping. Some farms now use color sensors to determine the exact point of ripeness before harvest. These regions face challenges like high humidity, pests, and difficult terrain, but their techniques have been refined to handle these conditions. The result is a harvesting system that's both efficient and respectful of the delicate nature of tropical fruits, ensuring they arrive fresh to markets across the globe. Despite all the amazing techniques, harvesting isn't without its challenges. Climate change, labor shortages, and increasing demand for food put pressure on farmers worldwide. Flooding, droughts, and shifting seasons can all throw off harvest schedules and reduce yields significantly. But out of these challenges comes innovation. Smart irrigation, crop monitoring drones, AI-powered harvesters, and vertical farming systems are all helping to reshape the way the world thinks about agriculture. Farmers are experimenting with regenerative practices, solar power, and biodegradable packaging to improve sustainability at every step of the harvest. What's exciting is how knowledge is now shared globally. A technique born in a small village in Asia might inspire a solution in Africa, and a piece of tech from Europe might change farming in South America. The future of harvesting is collaborative, connected, and constantly evolving. No matter where you go, harvesting fruits and vegetables is more than just a job, it's a way of life. Each region adds its own flavor to the process, shaped by tradition, technology, and the land itself. And behind every technique is a farmer with years of experience, adapting to change and feeding their community. Watching these methods in action reminds us of the incredible effort that goes into the food we often take for granted. Whether it's a tomato picked by hand in Africa or grapes harvested by robot in Europe, every crop is a testament to human ingenuity and nature's bounty. If you enjoyed this global farming journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share your favorite harvesting method in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay grateful, and support the farmers